njengoba uphunga, they could understand ukuthi mfethu me and Naledi had an agreement.
Sanibonani ngenza kwethu. Ngiyathemba niyaphila. Nibingelele laphayana uKhanyisile, uDikane, uKhwenta, uNyanda wephahla. Kanti ngebakwethu nanka ama-2K Country, uRomeo noJuliet. So sizokhumbula guys ukuthi beyithandana kakhulu uMawelele kanye noNaledi aphiwe. So ey'nsukwini kuvele ukuthi bahlukene. Kanti-ke uMawelele uphendulile imibuzo yabantu eminye yayo uthi-ke yena akukwazi ukuthi bengahlala bengajabule ngenxa yabantu abajabulayo uma bebabona bendawonye. So uthi nje yena i-freedom yakhe iza kuqala, akakwazi ukuhlala la angajabule khona. So ukuthi imibono yabantu ukuthi ithini, uthi yena akanankinga naloko futhi akanandaba ngoba manje akakwazi ukuhlala ebudlelwaneni or ku-relationship angekho happy kuyona. Kodwa-ke into ngathi yayinokwenza kwasekuqaleni ne-content kanye nokuphusha umculo wabo. Mina ngiyafisa ukukwazi ukucabanga lapha. Ngicela ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ulike bese uyasubscribe. Uyobuyisiza kakhulu le-channel. Danko.
Indaba lezi ukuthi manje kwenzakalani la, ayi cha, ngizozibona muva. You understand? Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm also reading the comments here and they're saying Wuti, maybe it's like marketing for something new. But if it is, damn, hey, yes, do that.
Can I tell you? The time we started dating, niggas were saying we are marketing our song Romeo and Juliet. That's what happens. And now they're saying we're marketing a song, okay? I feel like me and Naledi, as a duo, we reached very potential. Anything we can drop at any time without marketing or whatever. If we can go to TikTok and put that thing out, people are gonna grasp it anyways, like it or not. You understand?
Yeah.
So for us to come here and act like we don't need a trend, right now, because we're trending already. I'm not saying that boastfully, but you understand?
Yeah.
We are already trending. If we can drop a song right now, it's gonna be a smash. You understand? So yeah, we don't need we don't need clouds. I'm a person who's trying to move on. I understand? Yeah.
Okay. But like in everything that you do, no matter what don't ever ask for space because you won't like it.
What type of space?
If you don't get it, then it's okay.
Like, you didn't make me get it though, but it's okay, as you say.
Yeah, if you don't get it, they get it. The comments get it. So just don't ask for space. But yeah, I hope you guys are going to find a way out. Find a way to make things work because you do have songs together. So yeah.
Oh, snap. So space is got my puma. No, man. I'm not that type of a person. I love people and I appreciate the fact that today, with the help of God, for sure. You understand? I didn't know the space thing, the space cookies thing, which it was got my puma. But I am getting it right now. So, nah, bro, it's not theirs. When I preach it, I wish me and Naledi can still be able to do songs together, put our differences aside, and be able to work together. You understand? And this thing has nothing to do with people, man. You understand? If I'm booked at a place, it's not a situation whereby I will start saying, manje, because I'm trying to. They have nothing to do with this. Mina, I still love people. I still love performing. I'm still gonna perform. I wish to perform with Naledi. I love Naledi. I care about Naledi. I just wish and we move on. Kube grand, I understand work on an album, because I'm sure people would expect an album from us right now. I wish we can work on that album, give it to the people by Amgela Bandu.
But you should email her, like try at least,
Okay, can I ask though?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, it's worth trying if you feel like, ufuna like it to work. If you want it to work, then it's better to try than to just, end things in J&J.
To be honest, I don't think it should work, honestly. I feel like mailing accept. Yeah, me trying to reach out to her is just me failing to accept as a person. Yeah, but like, even if we can try and go back to try again, it won't, like, ngeke kulunge nje, I understand. Angazi nganibekela njani, but then with how things are between us, it won't work out. That's what's up.
Okay, but can I ask though?
Yeah.
The realest question.
Yeah.
Did you cheat?
And I won't answer that, eh?
Okay.
I'm not trying to answer that, yeah. I'm not trying to answer
Say
that.
now.
Yeah. But how are you doing?
Alright.
Why are you not showing here on the screen?
I'm in bed, so I can't.